Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I am actually doing the long-awaited Bath & Body Works collection video, but today I'm only going to share with you guys my body creams and my lotions because I want to do a separate video because I just have so much stuff that it would take forever to show you guys and edit it and upload it. So I'm gonna split it into two parts, maybe three. I'll do my shower gels one day, but right now it is going to be all body creams and lotions. So why don't we go ahead and get started? So why don't we go ahead and do our body creams first. I know body creams tend to go bad quicker, so I actually have used up a good amount of mine, and now I have just the ones that I have from SAS and a couple from before. But yeah, the first one I have here is Confetti Cake Pop. Amazing scent. I love this scent so freaking much. Again, another SAS pickup. You guys need this. It is the best scent ever. Next one I have is Pink Tie-Dye. I love this scent. This one is still the old formula. I do like the new formula, but I kind of like the old one too. So yeah, I have Pink Tie-Dye. I also have Beach from Blanket, which is one of my favorites ever. It just smells like a clean laundry, and even when I just apply the body cream, it still lasts me all day even without the mist, so I love this one. We have Champagne Sprinkles. This is just a super sweet, you know, bubbly, champagne-y kind of fragrance with a raspberry note, and I love the packaging. I think it's beautiful, so here's this one. And then we have my favorite, Coastal Hydrangeas. Honestly, I've used up a good amount of this and I just picked it up, so yeah, I feel like I kind of wish they made these into body lotions instead of the creams, because then I would be able to have more than one, but I just picked up one. So this is Coastal Hydrangeas. Here I have Boardwalk Taffy, another favorite. I did not end up picking up Cotton Candy Clouds, but I do have Boardwalk Taffy. I heard they're essentially pretty much the same thing. It's just one of them has more of a stronger note to it, but this one is Boardwalk Taffy. I think packaging is so adorable on this one. Raspberry Jam Donut. This is my fave. I picked this one up during the SAS because I do have a lotion of this, but I just didn't want to be without the lotion, so I could only find the cream at the time, so I picked it up. I think, again, packaging is absolutely adorable. I highly recommend you guys getting this off of Mercari or something if you can't find it anywhere else. A staple in my collection. I have 2 mists and 2 lotions. The next newest one that I have is Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, and this is actually the hyaluronic acid body cream, and I do feel like there is a little bit of a difference. This one is a little more lightweight and absorbs better into your skin, whereas the other ones felt a lot thicker and heavier, which is why I typically tend to go for lotions during the summertime, but this new formula makes it perfect to wear in the winter or in the summer as well. I love this scent. I wore this last night. It was amazing. And then I have Into the Night. Honestly, I'm almost done with this. I just need to finish this up because this one is probably maybe like 6 months old, which isn't bad, honestly. I think they typically last a year to 2 years, so I need to use this one up soon. And then I have You're the One, another one that's a little bit older, I would say 6 months. All these products are all at least like no more than a year, no more than like 7 months old, because I barely got into Bath & Body Works. But I love this one. Again, this is another one that like I'm almost done with. I just need to finish it. Last 2 I have are probably my oldest body creams, and I got these in January maybe, so 7 months. This is Vanilla Bean Noel and Winter Candy Apple. I've actually used a good amount of Winter Candy Apple, but Vanilla Bean Noel, it's a hard one to go through because sometimes the scent does give me a little bit of a headache. So yeah, I have this one, which I got during the Winter SAS, and then I have this one, which I also got at the Winter SAS, but I think yeah, they still smell perfectly fine. It's just you want to be careful with them and not put them in direct sunlight. So yeah, those are all of the body creams. I have 12 body creams, which is a lot, but honestly, when I first started my collection, I had probably like all body creams, and then I realized they do expire quicker. So now we're going to move on to the body lotions, which I have a lot more of. First one I have is Raspberry Jam Donut. This is, you know, again, a classic. I bought this one first, and then during the semi-annual sale, I picked up the body cream, so I have used up a good amount of this, but I am trying to finish up the body cream first. Next up, I have Denim and Daisies. This is a favorite of mine. I always love taking this on like trips with me because it is just such a perfect fragrance for whatever you're doing. And so yeah, you can see I made a little dent in here. I have Mango Mai Tai, which I've used a few times. I love this fragrance. I think it smells so good and so refreshing. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Next one I have is one that is used up a lot. This is Cucumber Melon, and you guys can see I'm like halfway done with it. I cannot live without this one. It smells so crisp and beautiful. I absolutely love Bath and Body Works body lotions. I think I'm turning into a body lotion gal instead of a body cream gal because their formula changed. I swear when I used to get Bath and Body Works like in middle school, their lotions were so runny, but these ones are actually pretty thick and very, very moisturizing. So I love the lotions now, and Cucumber Melon is my fave. Next up, I have Coconut Cream Pie. This one is another one that I got during SAS. I haven't used this yet because, or no, I have used it once. I've used it once and I love this scent. I think they killed it with this packaging. Like, it's so cute, and I love like the colored tops. I think it's just so adorable. Like, I just love this. Next one I have is Sunshine Mimosa. This is one that I kind of forgot about because I put it in my cabinet. But I love this scent. I think it's great. You guys know I'm not like super in love with it, but I do really like it. Like, it's a good scent, and it is perfect for spring, summer brunches, mimosas, going to the beach. I think this scent is a very universal scent. Another one I have is Bonfire Bash. I love this scent. It smells very smoky and kind of like a fireside kind of smell with a little bit of marshmallow and vanilla in there. And yeah, I don't know why this one though, the color is not like as white as the other ones. Do you guys know why that is? But yeah, I like the packaging. I think it's cute. This one has a red top. I love when they do something different with the caps. Another one I have is Confetti Cake Pop in the body lotion. My boyfriend found this for me, and it was the last one in store. So I'm so happy that I have it in 2 forms, and I have the mist, so I'm so happy. I love this scent so much. Like, I never want to use it because it just looks so beautiful, and I love the packaging. Next one I have is Strawberry Pound Cake, again from the Bake Shop collection. I picked this up during the semi-annual sale, and honestly, Strawberry Pound Cake is one of those fragrances that I'm not super in love with because it can give me a headache sometimes because it's super strong, of that like gourmand note, I guess you can say. And so yeah, I don't use it super often, but I definitely need to use it more. Someone got so mad at me in one of my other videos because I said they need to stop putting out Strawberry Pound Cake, and they got so mad at me and they were like the grammar police. So that person's watching. Here you go. Here's your Strawberry Pound Cake, girl. Next one I have is Frosted Snow Blossom. I hope that they come out with this this winter because I think this scent is so good. I'm not typically like a huge coconut person, but this scent is so good. Like, it smells like a those snowballs, you know, from Hostess. That's exactly what this smells like, and I love it. I think the packaging isn't like the cutest thing, but yeah, the coconut notes, the scent notes are frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla, winter freesia, and snow-kissed woods. So yeah, this says it's 2019 edition. That's interesting. I didn't know they had body lotions that old that they would sell, but yeah. Next one is Pretty as a Peach. I got this again, semi-annual sale, because I believe this is the old packaging, and I love Pretty as a Peach. The fragrance does not last super long like the fragrance mist, but I just love the scent. I think it's perfect for if you're going to the gym or you're just doing something really quick. But no, I don't think it lasts super long, so kind of irks me, but at the same time, I'm okay with it. Like, it's fine. I love the scent so much. I have 2 more left. So I have Coconut Candy Apple, and this is the new one. I think this lotion, oh, I think the lotion smells different than the mist a little bit. Like, the lotion smells more like a candy apple, and you can kind of get like that, what is it? Vanilla spice, but I feel like the fragrance mist, I can't really smell it too much. I don't know. Let me know what your guys' thoughts on Coconut Candy Apple is. I know it's some people's like favorite scent ever, but I'm still like on the fence about it. I'm still in the middle. I don't know if I love her or if I hate her. And last but certainly not least, we have Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. This is a new scent for me, but I do know that they come out with this fragrance pretty like every year pretty much for the fall time. I feel like it's like a staple fall fragrance. Let's see how the lotion is, because I still haven't used this. Ooh, it smells very fiery, smoky, but you can smell that marshmallow and that pumpkin. The pumpkin note is not too strong on this, so if you don't love pumpkin, I would still say to give this a try because it's not super strong. So those are all of the body lotions and body creams I have here to share with you guys. I'm going to show you guys one more time like what it looks like laid out, so let's go ahead and see that. So here are all of my body lotions laid out. So I tried to color coordinate them, but it was a little bit hard. So Frosted Coconut, Denim and Daisies. I mean, I read them all off for you guys, but I think they look so satisfying when they're just all laid out like this. Look at how amazing that looks. It looks so beautiful. Wow. I mean, this honestly is not too much in my opinion compared to other collectors. So yeah, I mean, I don't always feel the need to match my fragrance with the exact lotion. Sometimes I just go with what I think smells similar, but yeah, sometimes I'm really happy to have the matchy, especially for videos and whatnot. So yeah. And here are all of the body creams. This looks even more satisfying in my opinion. I think everything looks so cute. I mean, honestly, I feel like I can finish most of these up. I'm already halfway done with like You're the One and Into the Night, so yeah, I definitely am going to work on using these up first before I use up any of the lotions. But again, I use my collection up very organically. I don't like to rush. That's why I don't do many project use it ups or any project use it ups. I give huge props to all my other fellow creators who do those videos because I love watching them, but for me I just get super tired of the scent and I don't like feeling bored of one scent. But yeah, here I will just go over it. Here's the bottom row and here is the top row. Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my Bath & Body Works body cream and body lotion collection. If you guys are starting off, definitely take advantage of the sales, the semi-annual sales especially, because most of these, actually all the ones I bought from semi-annual sale were like 75% off. So they were probably like $3, which is an amazing deal. So definitely take advantage of that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!